Okay, so I'm here with some students who will remain nameless, but I trust them, and we're going to figure out this question together. So the thing is we need to earn $30,000. No. He needs to earn $1,900 each month. That's his goal, right? Now, I looked at this. If he took the entire amount of money that he had to invest, and he invested all of it with this 5% simple interest, right, 0.05, it's not enough money. Right, I think, what is that? Do you know? You got your calculator?
Oh, get your calculator. Here, go over there. Right.
Okay.
It's not enough.
It's 30,000 times 0.5. 0.05.
Oh, 0.05? Oops.
1,500.
So see, the problem is that that's not enough, right? Because he wants to make at least $1,900 each month, right? So here's the thing. We have two ways we're going to break this investment up. Let's say that we invest X dollars at this 5%. So this amount right here would represent how much money he's going to get from this simple, right? This
Right.
secure account, right?
Right.
Now, if he invests X of his dollars at this, how much money does he have for the other investment? Like if X is 10,000, the other one's 20,000, right? If he invested 15,000, the other one's 15,000. It's always going to be the case that it's always going to be 30,000 minus X, right? So because these two add up to the $30,000, right?
Right.
So that times what? Times 0.07 is how much money he's getting from his investments, right? And we want this amount has to be greater than, it says at least, so greater than or equal to $19,000 or $1,900, right?
Yeah.
So if we were to solve this as an equation, it's going to give us the boundary point, the point at which it's like on one side he's making the $1,900 a month year, and the other is now. There is a problem with this one being riskier, right? Because he's not always going to get 7%. So maybe you want to make it as safe as possible, right? But basically, we just have to solve this inequality. Could you solve this inequality? I mean, I think you could, right? So it's the
Probably.
distributive property, getting some stuff, dividing, right? And it's going to tell you X, which is how much money he should invest, right? Right?
0.05x plus.
And see, I don't know what that is. 30,000 times 0.30, 1, 2, 3 times 0.07. It's 2,100.
Plus 2,100 minus 0.7x. 0.07x is greater than.
It is? No, it's just point. Oh, you always say that extra zero in front. That's nice.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah. I never write that.
Helps me visualize it.
Yeah. So when I combine those two, right? 7, I got 0.05 minus 0.07. Isn't that negative 0.02x?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 2,100 minus 0.02x has to be more than this. So if I,
subtract 2,100 from
oh,
each side.
yeah, and I'm going to be happy because we are going to get a negative number, huh? Minus that is negative 200. So negative 0.02x is greater than or equal to 200. And if
Wait,
I,
200 or
Negative
negative 200?
oh, negative 200, my bad. Oh, so I got to remember, I'm going to divide by what right now?
By a negative number,
But
so
you have to flip the-
So I'm going to have to flip it. Oh my gosh, you said swippy swappy, whatever. Okay, so it's going to become this, and it's going to be x, and then what is that?
Negative 0.02. 10,000. Is that right?
Yes. So what this says
You
is
said
that
1,000.
10,000. So what this means to me, if I look at what x was, it says I can invest $10,000 in this account or less than $10,000. That means if I invest $10,000 in the safer one at 5%, I could put $20,000 in the other. Or I could put any number less than the $10,000 in the safe one.
And then
So
okay.
yeah, even if I put $0 in the safe one, it would still give me 2,100 a year, right? But yeah. So the answer is he can invest anything that's $10,000 or less in the 5% simple interest account.
Okay.
That's a tough question, huh?
Yes.
I don't know. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.